Where is Pat? Why is she always late on Tuesdays?
Pat goes to Chinese class on Tuesdays. That's why she's always late.
Okay. Oh, here she is.
Hello. Sorry I'm late. I can
Hi.
never find a parking space.
It's okay. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, let's start.
Hello and welcome to today's grammar lesson with me, Pat.
And me, Bita.
Okay, what are we going to talk about today?
We're going to talk about adverbs of frequency.
Okay, and that is...
For example, always, usually, sometimes, and never. Adverbs of frequency give us more information about a verb. We can use them to describe daily routines. Actually, watch this, you'll know.
Jane always wakes up at 6:30 and takes a shower. At 7, she has breakfast with her husband. Jane always goes to work at 7:45 and starts work at 8:30. She usually has meetings with her customers all morning and is very busy. At 12 o'clock, she has her lunch. Sometimes she eats in her office, and sometimes she eats at a cafe. At 5 o'clock, Jane goes home. She walks home if the weather is nice. If the weather is bad, she catches the bus. She always has dinner with her husband, and then they watch TV together. They like to watch funny shows on TV. Jane never goes to bed at 11 o'clock. She usually reads a book before she falls asleep.
So, those were examples of adverbs of frequency.
Okay, adverbs of frequency like always, usually, sometimes, and never. But why do we use these words?
We use them to show how often we do something. For example, if I say Jane drives to work, do we understand how often she drives to work?
No, we only understand that she drives to work.
What if I say she always drives to work?
Oh, this way I understand that she drives to work every day.
And what if I say she usually drives to work?
This shows that she drives to work 80 to 90% of the time.
Exactly. And if I say Jane sometimes drives to work?
Oh, this means she drives to work 50% of the time.
Yes. And if I say Jane never drives to work?
She drives to work 0% of the time.
That's right.
Okay, but I'm confused. Where do we put these adverbs of frequency?
That's easy. We put them after the subject,
Like she,
and before the main verb.
like goes. But can you give me another example?
Sure. Like she never goes to bed late. We have never after she and before goes. Now, can you give me an example?
Like, I always wake up at 9 a.m.
Very good.
I got it, but how can I ask someone about the number of times they exercise every week? Can I say, how many times do you exercise?
Yes, you can say that, but it's more natural to say, how often do you exercise?
Okay, so we have how often plus do or does plus the subject, and then we have the base form of the verb.
That's right. Now, can you make another example?
Sure. Like, how often do you go out with your friends?
I sometimes go out with my friends. Now, it's your turn. If you're in class, ask your friends some questions about their routine activities. And if you're at home, talk about your routine activities.